What's up, everybody? Ryan Manley, American Financial Network, Dream Home Funder Team, your favorite loan officer. Today, I'm going to talk about what to do when you think your home loan is in trouble. Now, what do I mean when I say that? Well, your home loan might be in trouble if you're not being able to get a hold of your loan officer, he's not responding to your phone calls and texts, he's not sending your realtor loan status update reports on a weekly basis, and he's not giving you the warm and fuzzy feeling inside when you're 2 weeks, a week and a half out of closing. Those are all big red flags that your home loan might be in trouble. So, what can you do if this happens? I'm getting calls all the time from realtors, title companies, borrowers, very upset, very in distress, a few days out of closing. They cannot get a hold of their loan officer. They're trying to go up the ladder, contact branch managers, all kinds of things at whatever company they're working with, and it's not working. So, what can you do? So, first of all, don't wait till the very last minute. If you're a week in, 2 weeks in, you're making calls, attempts, emails, texts, your loan officer's not responding, they're not giving you the warm and fuzzy, that's a big indicator that, hey, they may have been let go, they might not be in the business anymore, they may have told you that they could do something that they can't do, and now you're under contract and they're freaking out a little bit, or they know you need that money to close on that refinance to, remodel your house or pay off that debt, and they know that they can't get it for you and you've already paid for the appraisal, and they don't want to face the piper and talk to you about it like a man or woman. So, if that happens, contact us immediately. On a full file transfer, we can get that in front of our underwriters, and they're reviewing these and getting answers back to us in 24 hours to let us know if it can be something that we can accomplish for you. More times than not, we're able to jump right in, get these files reviewed, get out an automated approval, tell the agents, whoever's involved in the transaction, say, hey, we got this one, we may need a couple day extension, but we're gonna close this. Everyone's gonna be able to move in and all is going to be good. So, if you're coming down to the wire or you're not getting that warm and fuzzy, it can be very expensive for you to, get into the process as far as, moving vans go, selling your house, breaking your lease, getting out of leases, packing everything up. And if your loan doesn't go through, it's not fun for anybody. So, if this is you or you know someone that's going through these kind of pains, make sure to give me a call, shoot me an email. You can always text me, 480-203-6263. Shoot me an email, ryan@dreamhomefunder.com, or jump on my website, www.dreamhomefunder.com. Click the Apply Online tab. Shoot me a text, say, hey, I just filled out that app. Can you check this out for me really quick? We'll jump in and make this happen for you. Thanks as always for tagging your friends and family and sharing this content. And for the referrals, please keep them coming in. Have a great day.